Apply for job in Walmart online. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can apply for jobs in Walmart online. In order to do this procedure, check your internet connection and open up a browser of your choice. After you open up a browser, it's going to direct you to its official page. Right on this page, type in careers.walmart.com. You can also find a link on my description box below. So right on the page, you'll be able to see all sort of information. So first of all, you need to see the kind of job that you actually wish to apply for. While you're on this page, you can also go ahead and type in the job title or the keyword that you're actually looking for or the post. Or else what you can do is you can just simply scroll down a bit and you have the job title right at the bottom. So first of all, select the job title accordingly and it's gonna take you to the info or the all sort of detail page. From here, once again, you have the categories. So accordingly, you need to select the particular job that you're actually looking for and tap on it. You need to fill in the forms and you need to submit it. It might basically take 24 to 48 hours in order to respond. So till then, you'll need to wait patiently. So in this way, you can apply for a Walmart job online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.